Hey, what's up guys, Averroes here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my daily life here. Perhaps week 5 of semester 7 or part 7 of law school in UiTM Shah. And it's currently at night right now. And I'm with my friends. We are working on our assignments. We're completing them off. While everyone's left, we're still here hanging out and completing our tasks before tomorrow Friday. And before submitting a will assignment before midnight. And I got a little bit bored, so I drew all of this. I drew this Ultraman, I drew this Spider-Man, this Aziz guy who kind of looked alike, and I drew some SpongeBob. Why am I explaining what I drew? So I'm going to show you guys our firm. Our firm is 7A, and this is how our firm looks like. So this is how it looks like from the outside. There's this very long ass corridor going there. And every morning I will come from that door. And people who wants to pop some smoke, some cigarette or vape will go out here. And there are people who actually take pictures out there because it's at the rooftop. And you can see the nightlife of Shalom. It's pretty cool. Only if I can open this gate. It's kind of locked right now. Yeah, this is the nightlife of Shalom. So let's make a simulation of me walking back to class every morning. I don't know what room is this, but upon entrance to this firm, this is how our class looks like. So we actually have a very small pantry at the front. So anyone who's hungry or thirsty wants to get a cup of coffee, they can prepare their own coffee and get some snacks. This is the whiteboard. Yeah, so this is where all the education starts. The lecturer will sit at this desk and maybe walk around. The lecturer will walk around, and this is the HD TV flat screen where all the slides will be presented, maybe videos or anything else that the lecturer or students want to show around. And sometimes students will turn on music on the TV as well. So this is firm 1, I guess, or firm 3. This is firm 1. I'm from firm 4 at the back there, and that's firm 2 over there. So here it is. This is my firm. A firm means it's another word for group, basically. I think they use the word firm just to spice things up and make it sound interesting. And my SB, Phoebe, she sits there. She's kind of like the boss of the entire group or firm. And I sit all the way at the very end, a corner of this firm. So what I have to do is I have to rotate my chair 90 degrees just to look at the front where the lecturer is teaching. So every day I have to sit here, and I sit here lonely and facing no one at the front. Only maybe a ghost, maybe. These are all my statues and acts, and I do my work here. I type stuff, and then after that I rotate just to face the lecturer giving their lecture at the front. And then I will have my laptop here on my lap while I face the front all the time. And yeah, as you can see, people left their blazers in class. They even go to class wearing slippers, and they only wear shoes in class. And then when they leave, they wear slippers again because, shoes can get damaged and the sole gets run out due to friction. And as I've said before, it's night. I don't think you guys can see anything outside, but in the morning and when it's there's sunshine and stuff, the sun is still out there will be monkeys knocking on the windows because they know that there are food. They know that we have a pantry, so the monkeys are trying to get into the firm. And one of my lecturers told me that we did not have any of these cupboards back in the days. So what we did in the past, what my lecturer did when they were younger, is that they put some sort of mattress under this stone thingy. They put their own mattress and bed sheets and pillows, so they will sleep underneath here. How interesting is that? And I'm actually contemplating and planning to buy a mattress as well. Maybe, what do people call that? A kain toto or something? I want to lay it down here and then sleep until the lecturer comes in. It's actually a nice idea. You know, the law firm at the front has a coffee machine. Some of our firms brought their own printer. Very awesome, neat. And there we have it. This is the final view of the firm. Here is the last view of the firm. Udah siap kerja? Weh, rajin lah Fitri. Stay up, oh. Alamak, siapa yang tidur awal tu? Aku tak ngaku lah. Aku rehat saja, bukan tidur. Tapi rehat terlebih pula rehat dia. So hello guys, currently I'm in the auditorium room and I think you can hear my voice because I'm using the microphone. I sound like a news reporter right now and I'm talking alone, and I'm going to give you guys a very random lecture. I wonder if I can put my face on that screen. Hey, strong guy. I managed to open a computer and let's try putting my face on here to make a very nice gimmick. And everyone's gone. I think everything's secured. Hopefully. Hello guys, this is Averroes and this is my channel. I make videos about law school. I like to write articles and I like to join Model United Nations and mooting. And so far, this channel is about my life in law school, especially in final year. Please do subscribe to my channel. And I finally made and posted a picture of myself in this very hall. And this is one of the craziest moments I've done for a very long time. That's me, my picture up there. That's me going to Perlis. And that's me doing my internship with Nazmi Zaini Chambers. So, hoorah, man, look at this. I'm going to look at this video again, see me talking alone in this very hall while I put my very own picture up here. Oh dude, that's me! That's me, I'm about to go to KL Central. I'm in the Moot Court right now of our law school's Moot Court. And I can't really remember the seating. I think that's where the judges sit. And this is where the Juru Bahasa, the interpreter, sits, and on this side is where the prosecution team sits, and here is where the defense counsel sits. I think the accused will sit there. It's supposed to be here in the middle, but the Moot Court doesn't have space to build that space for the accused, so they put the accused over there instead of the middle part of this Moot Court. I think that part is also where the witness or accused will stay at. And the judge will be coming from that door. And this is where we do our criminal trial and advocacy subject. So the other day I represented the prosecution team. Currently it's week 5, next week is week 6. And I sat at the corner there and I took turns to sit over there next. So behind me is where all the public people will be sitting. There's space for the public people view. I don't know what's in the Kamar Hakim though. Let me pause the video for a moment. Okay, I'm inside, and when I got in, I was surprised by this thing. What the heck is this, man? So this is the store. Nothing much. I thought ada orang tau. Tapi nasib baik tak kantoi ke apa. So this is where the Kamar Hakim, the judge, will come out of this door, and they will go to those 3 seats. Here's one view of the courtroom. Those are all the seats. I'm gonna be playing with this door for a moment. As you can see here, this is the entrance and the space leading all the way to the moot court. This space also leads you to where you can punch in your card and the stairways to the next levels for your classes. There's also this space which will lead you to the office as well as the main lobby or lounge, where you can also go to your classes through other stairs, and a way for you to go to the auditoriums and the PTAR Undang-Undang. So as you guys can see here, this is where people punch their cards. Right in front of us is the library. I don't know when it's going to be closed. The other day we didn't get a chance to actually enter and stay for a while. So let's try, since it's really dark today. I mean, it's already dark. What am I saying? Okay, now we're in the library. We're gonna scan in. Record. Honestly, at this point of this video, I don't even know what to say. I didn't even narrate while I was walking in the library because I had to keep silent. But what I will say is that upon first impression, the first time that I came to this library back in first semester, I thought, wow, this library is totally off the hook. I'm not saying it in a sarcastic way, but saying it in a very sincere way. That's why I'm saying it's honestly I'm saying this. Because when I entered, there were a lot of computers that we can use. During that time, I was representing UiTM to fly to Tokyo for Harvard Moon, but somehow I wasn't able to go there because COVID happened and the money for the flight tickets and everything got burnt. So I didn't get the chance to go to Harvard Moon because I was going there with other seniors who were representing UiTM for MUN. In this library, I also hold a lot of memories because I did my assignments here with my other group mates back in semester 1, and I was glad that it was for contracts and we managed to score the highest score or carry marks for contracts in class. Can you imagine that? And this library also holds a lot of good memories personally to me because during my assignments as well, I was able to find contract books or materials for my assignments, and it was really helpful. Upon coming to this library as well, apart from the computers, you can also use it for LexisNexis and yada yada. I mean, everyone can do that. There's a lot of comfortable tables and sofas, and at the same time, it's just nice being in there. It's really cool, especially during a very hot and sweaty day. And it's also a place where you can hang out and just chill and pray at one of the corners at level 3. Just have a conversation, talk with your friends or whatever you want to call them. Why am I saying it like that? Never mind. But what I do notice is that apart from law books, they also have other different types of books. When I came here, there were these pack of legal digests and really old law books, ancient archaic law books. I don't know, since the times of maybe the dinosaurs. Maybe I know I'm sounding a little bit too over exaggerated here, but you get the point. It's really old. The skin of the book, it looks kind of really worn off. The skin is a little bit ripped, I would say. Even in the insides, are these really old spots on the paper of the book. Apart from that, yeah, it's just Legal Digest, really thick ones with a lot of pages. And if you want to read everything, it will take you about centuries to read everything in this library. I'm telling you the truth. So this is where we conduct our prayers. There's a space for praying on the third floor. And look at all the racks of books prepared. It's really quiet. And it feels really eerie and creepy as well. So there you guys have it. This is the video that I'll be showing you guys about the auditorium, the moot court, and the library, and the punch-in card, as well the entrance into the law faculty, and getting the spirit and pride of law school with all the books right behind me. And now again, I'm gonna rewind the video back a few days ago with me saying goodbye. Well, for today, thank you guys so much for watching. That's our class 7A, and it's a video that I will watch over and over again to remind myself that I've managed to complete 1 year of final year in law school. So till again, please do watch more of my videos. Please do subscribe, like, and share. See you guys next time.